Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. Do you recognize what is this? Yes, it is our solar system. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Each planet has its own pathway known as orbits. These are orbits. Now I will tell the names and some features of the planets in our solar system. Now let's start our topic. This is the sun. The sun is a star. It gives out heat and light, and it also gives us vitamin D. The sun is roughly spherical in shape. This is Mercury. The Mercury is the closest and the smallest planet to the sun. This is Venus. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. It is also called the morning and evening star. This is Earth. The Earth is a very special planet for us because it is the only known planet that contains life. This is Mars. Mars is red in color and it has the highest mountains. This is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It has a spot. This is Saturn. Saturn's rings are made of ice. This is Uranus. Uranus is the coldest planet in our solar system. This is Neptune. Neptune is the coldest and farthest planet to the sun. There are 4 terrestrial or rocky planets. These planets form in our solar system because they are than the sun from the sun. The planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. There are 4 planets that form outer solar system because they are far from the sun. These planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now I will take 1 minute to talk something. Jupiter and Saturn do not have rocky surface. They are ball of gas, so they are called gas giants. Uranus and Neptune are very far from the sun. They are very cold, so they are called ice giants. Thank you.